Our today's discussion concerns itself with the influence of the problem plays in removing the evils from the contemporary society. It therefore takes the form of realistic drama by presenting on the stage what is actually happening in the society. Sharif, be attentive. Quiet, please. Sharif, are you facing any problem?
Sir, I am trying to be attentive, but sir,
Quiet, please. Did you find any ambiguity in my lecture?
no sir,
Please stop it. आराम से बैठे आप सब. मसला क्या है तुम्हारे साथ शेरी?
सर
Quiet. Would you please leave the classroom? Are you not listening to me? Would you please leave the classroom? Well, gentlemen, I was talking about characters in a realistic way. So